Hello, this is series 2 of is it good to microwave this? And series 2 we have a tea bag.
Episode 2, not series.
Episode 2.
And we have the microwave. Let's name it. Betty.
Good old bouncing Betty. Bin turd. Right.
Bin turd, yeah, bin turd.
Alright, ready for this? And it's going to be going in for 1 minute, 15, well 16 seconds. Ready for this? In goes the tea bag.
Closing the door. Kevin, you're chief in charge of opening and closing the door.
And in goes the tea bag. Go a bit closer. And if you see any smoke or signs of fire, open it and ventilate.
What if it sets on fire?
Go a bit closer.
It's not what's happening. Can you hear it crisping?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, it's crisping. Like popcorn. This is getting boring, but...
Right, bye-bye camera, I have to go to the toilet.
I'm gonna go take a piss. Oh no. Scary Joe. Just a tea bag. That's how much is it? Let's talk to each other.
Let's put in some water. Well, I could do something then.
Yeah, we'll do that next
If this does not work.
And by the way, I invented this. The tea bag.
That was really weird.
3, 2, 1. 2304. It smells weird. It's warm. Yeah, the nub's back. It's really warm.
What happened to it?
The water. It's gone a little bit crispy.
Let's see. Pass.
Just a bit warm. What the fuck is that? It's a turd.
Right, Jack. Look at me. So, is it a good idea to microwave this? No, because it's boring.
So, we're gonna put it in a glass of water. There's no water in the glass yet. That's the point. Just wait till we add the water.
So, while we're waiting, you can have a bit of theme tune music and an iPod.
Wait, we need to invent a song for is it a good idea to microwave this?
Okay.
Microwaving a tea bag in a cup. Milk, it's awesome. Oh yeah, pubes. Oh yeah, here's the noob. And he's got the water.
Wait, before you do anything, I think you might have to do this.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Tea bag in it. It's in. Closing. How long?
No.
1 minute. Fucking hell, Kev. I don't want to wait that long. Someone else hold the camera this time.
Oh,
No, Kev's chief in charge of opening and closing it.
me.
Hello. With the glow. You can't really see it. It's not much sound to make.
Yeah, it's only
Go a bit closer.
Put battery in the microwave. That's our future. We might as well just put it in the kettle. It's going brown. Oh yeah.
No,
It's going brown. No. Shh. It's going brown. Look at it. Leave it. Wait, have a cup of tea. Leave it, Kev, please.
No.
It's burning. It's burning.
Have you smelled it?
Oh yeah. It's
You can't really see much, but it's browning and there's 15 seconds left. It's emulsing a lot.
Alright, when we open it, you'll be able to see, so just like listen to the Open it.
Right, this is it. Shut up. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's so fun.
Kevin, pick the item up.
Wow, it's dead.
Smoky.
That's amazing. That's a new way to have a cuppa. Get the fuck out. Now put milk in it. Oh, you We'll put our milk from the
It's
episode
still hot.
from the episode before into it. Wow, that looks awesome.
Can I drink it?
Now one of us has to drink it.
I'm not drinking
No
it.
tea. No.
Wow, look how cool! It's made a pattern. Is that milk? Oh my god, that's so cool. Coffee. Now we're gonna. No.
Don't waste it.
Right, and
Well, now this is a good idea to microwave. Kevin, take it away. Is it a good idea to microwave?
It's funny.
All right, well that concludes that.
Drink it.
Yeah, first, why not? Just
need
give
to
it a
take
little
the tea
stir,
bag out,
and
though.
he just fired.
wait,
No.
wait, it's coming in. It's coming again.
Don't know if you heard that, folks, but it was loud.